guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a hugelkultur raised no dig bed. Hugelkultur has been used in Germany and the rest of Europe for hundreds of years. Just to give you a wee bit of an insight into how it works. So you basically line the bottom with cardboard, then you put small logs and twigs or big logs depending on what size your bed's going to be. This is only going to be a small one that I'm going to show you, so they're only like small logs. So starting from there, the logs aid the drainage of the soil, but then they also are a place where critters and things can hide, insects and things like that, that'll put goodness into your soil. Also, allegedly, I don't know how true this is, but seemingly as the logs break down in the soil, it heats the soil up, so it adds warmth to the soil. Then on top of that, you can put anything at all that you like that's compostable. So anything that goes in the compost bins, you put that on top of the logs and just build it up in layers. So I'm going to be putting in a few different things, one being coffee grounds. So let's get over to where the raised bed is and I'll go through the process. So to start off with, as you can see, you line the bottom of the bed with cardboard, and you get your logs and you add them. These are only small logs because it's only a small bed. But if you're going to do a much bigger one, you can add bigger logs, entirely up to you. So put a few in there. Also going to add some twigs. This is where I've trimmed some of the trees off. This is all really good for drainage. So like compost, you should, I think it's best to have a mixture of green and brown waste. So next I'm going to add coffee grounds. Which is actually green, and most people would assume would be brown waste. So we'll get that in there. That's good. The local coffee shops, most of them will be quite happy to give you their used coffee grounds. Spread that around. Then I'm going to add a bucket of leaves. And on top of the leaves, I've got a pumpkin that needs to come out. So that can go on top of the leaves. So basically, you just add anything that's compostable. And on top of them, I'll add a thin layer of leaf mulch. I don't think there's a magic formula for this. Just bits of this and bits of that. So I'll be leaving that uncovered over winter, letting everything rot down, and then prior to when I start to plant things into it, I'll then add the topsoil. This is one that I did previously, so that'll be getting more compostable stuff put on top, and this is a bigger one that I've done. Same again. We'll just keep adding the last of the waste to it to fill it up, and then, like I said, prior to putting anything into it, I'll add the topsoil to them all. So I hope some of you have found that video useful, and if you get a try, or you've made one previously, drop a comment below. I'd like to hear what sort of success you've had with a hugelkultur bed, because I mean this is the first time I've ever tried it. Done a bit of research into it online, and it all looks positive. So anyway, thanks to everybody that supports the channel, follows it, likes, subscribes. Very much appreciated, and I'll catch you all soon. Bye.